Hello and welcome back to the Sand and Track YouTube channel. Today's video is about the Mitsubishi Pajero weakness in the rear bumper. The stock Mitsubishi Pajero, as you can see here, has plastic rear bumper, which often breaks in the desert and acts like a scoop when driving off-road. As you can see in the different images that we're sharing here, it often becomes problematic after a few drives. Often you just simply push it in, but once the brackets break, the whole thing will completely come off. The issue is in the design. It acts as a scoop, as you can see here, when you're driving in the sand, and it completely rips the bumper off. Now, there are several ways to deal with this. Either you remove the rear bumper every time you go off-road, which is not ideal, or you install a rear skid plate which runs the length of the rear bumper. They come in different sizes or shapes. They can be long ones, or they can even be middle ones just to protect the middle part, and that's more than enough, as you can see on the car here. And again, there are several designs. Lots of fabrication shops are doing different things. On my car, however, I redesigned the entire rear bumper. I actually went with a full metal bumper on the rear of my Pajero. This is really not needed. It's an overkill. However, I just wanted a complete redesign in my case to provide that maximum protection. As you can see in the image here, the right is my car, on the left is a rear skid plate that just covers the entire bumper. And again, lots of fabrication shops are doing it now. It's a very easy thing to do and install on the Pajero. So hope you found this useful. Do leave any questions in the comment section below. Thank you.